Hey guys, it's me Diana and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a birthday vlog. So, first I'm about to get my nails and my toes done because my birthday's tomorrow. Today's July 17th and we are going to the beach. So, I'm getting my toes and my nails done, and then we're gonna go to the beach. So yeah, but before that, I'm gonna pick out the stuff that I need because we're staying in a resort. So the first thing is pajamas. So I'm just not even really thinking about this. So and some shorts. So shirt and shorts, and then I have my birthday dress, and then I need a swimsuit. So I'm gonna bring this green swimsuit because it's my favorite one. This one is giving kid, and then this, I think this is cute. I guess it's, I'll bring both of those, green and that's just a horrible packing video, but it's fine. And then here's my birthday dress. So I'm gonna put that here, and then I'm gonna get my nose. Why am I saying nose? I mean my toes and my nails done. Don't mind my hair. It looks so bad. I don't even remember the last time it looked this bad. But yeah, I'm gonna cry because this is what it looks like for my birthday. But it is what it is. I'm just gonna not look at myself in the mirror. Yeah. As the bed gets cold, my heart gets colder. Okay guys, so I'm back from getting my toes done. I couldn't get my nails done because we were running out of time, because something happened and it pushed back our time. But I'm gonna pack some blush, some lip gloss, and some mascara because nobody wants to wear foundation and concealer to the beach. So I'll put that and put it in a bag, and then put it in my big bag with the clothes in it, and not too much on the hair though because I had to like kind of do something to it so it looked better. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. So let me get a bag and then put my makeup in there. Okay guys, so we finally made it to the resort, and now I'm going to get ready to take some pictures on the beach and get ready for my birthday dinner. So first I'm just gonna add this necklace, cancer necklace. I'm wearing another cancer season necklace on right now. The one I'm putting on right now is from Forever 21, and then the one that's already on is just a little crab. That is from Claire's. These on slay. And then now I'm going to do some makeup. So I'm back from the beach and dinner, and we're about to go to the pool. So I'm gonna put on my swimsuit, and I think I'm gonna wear the green one. Okay guys, so today is the day of my actual birthday, and we are going to go for breakfast first. So I basically got ready. Here's the shirt, shorts, and then I'm wearing Air Forces. So the shirt's from Forever 21, shorts are from Aeropostale, even though they're too big. But yeah, basically I just put my hair in a claw clip because yesterday I was in the pool, so I had to wash it and my hair wasn't gonna look good down, so I just put in a claw clip. And yeah, so now we're gonna go to breakfast.
best quesadillas.
Fat
Caitlin,
ass.
are you gonna say hi? Hi. I said, let's go to the Nike store, and Jaya had walked in here. So I see no Nike.
Y'all think Emery would eat these?
Yeah, she
This is a
would eat
four.
them.
She would eat
She would
everything.
put them in her mouth and eat them.
Wait, they got unicorns on the bottom.
That shit is
My mom be looking for her some shit.
Oh wait, Jaya, why don't you and Emery match and you
Okay,
get?
bitch.
She gets these.
No, that's not.
She gets these. Whoop. What in the what?
I think I can fit this.
These are,
I'm gonna try these whole
What size they is?
girl, they're a 3.
5.
Those are a 3.
Those are a 5.
We're a 9.5.
Look.
Oh, come on. Look, multicolored, taste the rainbow.
Now you know if I was gonna beat her ass. Look at him.
Oh, Jaya, these are nice and they're on sale right in your price range. Oh. Oh, they say your name. Thank you, Jaya, for my auntie Ann.
Why are you yelling?
So damn hot, I don't even want to eat.
Got my auntie Ann.
We could really go on.
Not too much.
If my kids. Caitlin.
Girl, what is Sprite gonna do?
It was ice. So me and my
What is